And that's how we know. You know, it's like a solid illusion. How come no one seems to be having this conversation, man? No one is having this conversation at all. And the conversation is the nature of reality. The nature of reality. And that's a deep philosophical question. Everybody have a belief system. Everybody have a belief system. Jesus is Allah, is thoughts, his energy, his vibration. I don't know. There seems to be a small faction of people out there who don't really buy into anything at all. They don't just buy into anything. They're still wondering, is there something else I need to know?